Hi folks, Marcus here, and today I'm going to be cooking miso and sesame pork chops. So, my grill's getting nice and hot. I don't want it too hot, just a nice good temperature. I've got my pork chops here. They're not too thick, so they're just going to be up for a quick grilling. And I've got some of this wonderful ingredient, Togarashi spice. It's fantastic. So all you do with this spice is just a little sprinkle on the pork chops like this. I'm going to be brushing on some of this wonderful rich and nutty sesame and miso sauce, classic Japanese recipe. This is great. It says perfect as a salad dressing or try on barbecue. Well, I'm going to try this on the barbecue. Cooking this on the Joy stove. This is a great bit of kit for little grills like this. Lovely, these will only take a few minutes aside. I'm going to try and get that fat nice and crispy and looking good. So flip them over once. And then brush with a little bit of this miso sesame sauce. And turn them over again. And brush the other side. This will add a nice savoury element to the pork, which is going to be really good. Let's check the temperature of these pork chops, see that they're cooked through. Looking for 65 degrees C, and they look done to me. Lovely. Nice char on them. Okay, so let's take one of these off and have a taste. Look at that crispy fat there, lovely. And see, it's the glaze has crisped up and caramelised. Let's have a taste and see how we've done with these. Smell is amazing. I'm going to get a bit of that crispy fat and have a taste. Oh wow. Juicy pork, nice spice from the Togarashi. Oh, that's got a little bit of a kick to it, and then a really nice umami hit from that sesame and miso glaze. God, that has got a bit of heat. That's fantastic, really good. This is going to warm me up a bit. If you enjoy my videos here at CountryWoodSmoke, there's a button down there. Please like, subscribe, and let me know you like my videos. Cheers. That's fantastic. Perfect barbecue weather here in Devon. CountryWoodSmoke, cooking outdoors, whatever the weather.